Hello student, my name is Sukumar. Today I shall discuss how to calculate units of any quantity. Let's take an examples. F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. We have to find out the unit of G. Here F is force and m1 and m2 mass and r is length. We have to calculate unit of G. Is it very difficult? Not really. I will show you how to calculate units of any quantity. So there are three systems. One is CGS, FPS and MKS. And there are three base quantity. So base, one is length, this is mass and time. Okay, so in CGS that length is C per centimeter and mass is gram and time is second. In FPS this is foot, P for pound and this is second. In MKS this is meter and this is kg and this is second. Now using these base quantity we can calculate unit of any derived quantity. So let's find out some derived quantity. Accelerations. So okay, first we calculate the velocity v. So velocity v equal to length by time. Okay, so here this length is centimeter, so this is semi and time is second, so this is semi per second. And in M case this will be meter per second. So I am not calculating in FPS because this is not being used in your curriculum. So only I am considering CGS and MKS. So this is the unit of velocity. Okay, let's try to calculate another is accelerations. A equal to v by velocity by time. So velocity semi second and divided by t, so again another second, so this comes into semi per second square. Okay, similarly it will be meter per second square. Now try to calculate unit of force. Force equal to mass into accelerations. So here this mass is gram and this accelerations is semi per, or you can write in this way, gram semi per second square. So it has another name, it's called dyne. And here, so it will be mass is meter, sorry, mass is kg into accelerations, so kg meter per second squares, right? And it has another name is Newton. Now work, so work is equal to force into displacement. So force here is gram semi per second squares, so gram into semi this second square, this is unit of s, into s is displacement, displacement is semi, again there is another semi, so it is gram semi square by second square, right? And it has another name is erg, erg. In m case, so this will be f is kg into meter per second square, and into s, s is the length, length is meter, into meter, so this is kg meter square. So you can write this way, or you can write in this way, kg meter square per second square. So I am trying to make you understand that using these three basic quantity you can calculate units of any quantity. Now can you calculate this g? So if you, so g equal to, this was f into r square divided by m1 and m2, right? So what is the unit of f? This is Newton, and this is r is the length, right? Length in mks is meter, so this is meter square by m1 into m2, this is mass, means kg into kg, so this is kg square. So you can write it as Newton meter square per kg square, right? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you very much for listening.